Big up to all the MG fans, all the Saudi Crest fans. Big up yourself. Stay tuned. Coming to the start of this game. As we see, the teams are marching out on the field. So momentarily. So here we have the great Mr. Legister himself, a former referee, and no doubt the vice principal for the red and white here today. Big up yourself, Sir Legister. Haven't gotten the match cards yet, so we'll just have to free along. So the game is off, ladies and gentlemen. So Dinthill in position. It goes long, diagonally, happen. And in the second minute, free kick, he runs up, kick this one low but outside. Missing the near post by a distance. Very poor free kick, I say. But, you know, in the second minute of play, inside the Dinthill half. There are still butterflies in and around those teams. So Dinthill broke up the play and going forward. So Dinthill is still going forward, broken up by this one, number 4 from Charlemont, is Kyle. And still Charlemont in position through a back pass, goes right back to their keeper, who playing it around. And a pressure that one, but MG is sweating the way, but I can understand. So Dinthill in position, in their own half, playing it around. This time goes almost missed up, but taken away by Charlemont. Charlemont on the attack through that number, is it number 2? But strong tackle that is from Dinthill. And Charlemont will broke no play. Still. Right, so Dinthill broken up. Charlemont in position. Turns number 8. Twist, turns, no pass. And now he gets it to their number 10 who goes dribbling, beats 1, beats 2, still going. And Charlemont, but broken up. Very good defensive. So Charlemont going forward on the right, swing this one in, straight to the goalkeeper from Dinthill. Charlemont through their number 8, pass this one outside of his foot down there. Spin the square on the ground this time, and Dinthill playing around in that. A chance for Charlemont to score, but well defended this time by Dinthill. Shield goes around, and Dinthill doing well this time, and I pull it back. A chance for shoot, but block, shoot and over the bar. Very poor shot this time from Dinthill. Teacher Lenny Hyde, and this is how he likes to play. He likes to walk this football, playing it is very easy. So now a squaring coming easy to the keeper for Charlemont. We take this one. I know Mr. Walsh is a cricketer. Oh my God, interesting. You hear that, people? Come again. Mr. going over to your captain, square this one, and keeper goes and punch. Well done, keeper. And again, headed out. So Charlemont win this one, and Geisel trying to beat this one, but broken up by Dinthill. Swing across, and this time the goalkeeper coming on an opportunity, and he misses. And this one, a penalty. This was a careless play by the goalkeeper, and she has pointed, Odette has pointed to the penalty spot. And the goalkeeper, offside that is, so no goal. So it's offside. The goalkeeper has made a very, very good save. A very good save by the Charlemont counter. Is this what they would say a retaliation? He's giving so much instruction. So Kyle in position now to Dinthill. Again giving away the time. So throw this one long, but Kyle defending stoutly as usual. And again Charlemont going through. So you look at the side there, you see Coach Lenny Hyde just looking on, posing, yes. Well done. And so let's see what happens now. Dinthill in position. A wild square that is. So goal kick it is to Charlemont.
You come out of that part of ball, man. Come again. Man, them now go for the ball. On the field, they kick the ball.
Charlemont. Again, Charlemont in a position and shoot this one. A very good, still 0-0. Not much big opportunity. I think Dinthill would have got the best one. That player would have hit it wide. So this one goes high and over the bar and just in the goal! That one was tame, but an error by the goalkeeper from Charlemont in the final minute of stoppage time. A kick that was tamed in my estimation, looped high and over the hand. Easy to the goalkeeper from Dinthill. So Charlemont not looking good going forward. I guess that's their weakness. They failed to score in the first game, still failed to score. So let's see what Dinthill, through the number 11 player, very attractive type of turn with some flair and flair. So looking going forward, but couldn't keep her back. So I'm telling you, this Dinthill team is now getting to their groove. I think Charlemont is allowing them to do, not like what they did the first half. That's a comedy of errors, people. That's dangerous. That is dangerous. A ball, a shot that was very tame shot, and the keeper goes across. I don't know what he was, by Geisel, and he swings this one inside, over the top, and headed out, and broken up by Dinthill, carelessly by Charlemont, I believe. And I shot him up to shoot and shoot wide. Was the goalkeeper well? And so he hit this one. Very good pass this time to Charlemont. Can he take this one? He's a bit coward. And he swing this one high, but not yet to the edge of the 18. Headed out by Dinthill. Back to Charlemont. An opportunity. A shoot this time. Scrambled away. A deflection that is. And yes. And he tried to do it again, but this time a shot. So a ball that was played in. And an opportunity for Dinthill, who shoots. And inside, another goal it is for Dinthill. A ball that was played back. And this number, can't even see the players, the number 9 player who hits it. It seems like it hits it from the edge of the 18, but a very good goal this time by Dinthill. So it's now 2-0. Dinthill taking a 2-goal lead. And this time, MG, all seems to be lost for you, sir. 2-0 it is, and it's in the 77th minute of play. So, number 11 for Dinthill, what is he doing? Going across and back. Number 8, the general, midfield general it is. So, going through. So Dinthill, hounds in by Charlemont, but properly done. That's about 7-8 passes so far. That's the best I have seen any of the team playing so far. So Dinthill, they've gone about 10 passes going forward, hitting it across. Still have an opportunity, but broken up by Charlemont. That's Sports Channel, best YouTube sports channel you can find. Along with Saudi Press, the combination, collaboration, so much good. Saudi Press and commentary and MG. So remember, Charlemont trailing by 2 goals. The dog is on the field. What is he doing now? And he swing this one across, beats everyone. Can Charlemont keep this one? But Dinthill has defended stoutly. And moving forward now, Dinthill. You can see they have confidence to hold the ball, they keep it. They are talking the football on the field of play. A little miscontrol this time by that Dinthill number player. So gets it back. So they are so calm. They've gone about 5-6 passes right here. So that's what they want to do. They want to wear down Charlemont after leading 2-0. And so a giveaway pass this time. Too confident and poor pass this time by this Dinthill team. So let's see where we go. Charlemont on the ball. On the halfway line it is. Going forward now, Charlemont going through. Shoot this time. A very ambitious shot from some 30. Leading, not just leading 2-0, but they have the position. They are making the passes. And again, Charlemont will have to just be defending. A poor mistake this time by Dinthill. But they slight Charlemont player never allowed them to pay for it. So back with Steeled. Play to the number 8 player in midfield. Just some turn. He has all the ability. But look at this now. Look at the space given to Dinthill going on. Inside out. And let's see what happens. Can they square this one? It comes right back to that number 8 player who passed it tamely to forward to the substitute, and then the ball going through. Is that offside? No. Very tricky player. So Dinthill is just walking pace, no ace. Look at the pace that Dinthill is playing. They're just walking the football, and Charlemont just tap and look at them. But let's see what happens. Outside right now. Can he get in a square? Beats one, a foul on the play this time. And again, that's outside the box. Is another penalty. Another penalty to Dinthill in the 88 minutes of play. MG, all has gone now for you. No more one love. And so as you see in our mirror, the cameraman and goal. Well taken penalty this time from Dinthill. So it's 3-0 to Dinthill. And we're in the closing moments of this game. Just about 3 minutes of regular time. So the skill is what is important at this stage. But let's see what happened. A free kick to Charlemont. Very interesting position. Center aligned. And number 2, the man they call Geisel to take this one. He can hit them for sure. So let's see what happened. Will he go over? Will he go with his full power? So this time, and so he hits this one in the wall. So that's one of the things is you must get this ball over the wall. If it is this, number 4, lengthy defender, who has the ability to do well. But broken up by Charlemont going forward. And so well turn and turn. Can he run on this player? But no, yes, trying to go forward, pass forward, but it was just 2 versus 3 and could not do much. So Dinthill, very good pass this time from this Charlemont player. So corner to Charlemont will be taken by number 8 player, left footed, and it goes and an upper 10. But headed out easily by Dinthill, and the referee has blown the final whistle. So it is 95 minutes of play, and Dinthill has won this game by 3-0. With ease, I would say. Never started easy, but ended easy. Unfortunately, Charlemont did not